Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a POV test drive in this 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz Ultimate. But before we get started, let's take a look at the outside and at the lights. And yeah, in this in this night POV test drive, we are going to focus mainly on the lights and the auto high beams, and we're going to take a look at how good they work and how well they illuminate the roads ahead. And yeah, I'll show you all the sets on the right hand side. We also have two more POV test drives about this Santa Cruz. Oh, we're also going to do a little launch today with two more POV test drives. One on the highway where we test like all the driving assist, and if possible we're going to test the handling. And then we have a city POV test drive where we test kind of like the smoothness of the drivetrain and how it is a bit more in stop and go traffic. Lastly, of course, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full-on review where we talk about the exterior, the interior, we drive it plenty, and of course we're gonna give it a verdict in the end if it's worth the money, if you should go with something else, and all the good stuff. So yeah, top right hand corner or at the end of the video. Really quickly, because it's night, I want to take a quick look at the bed lights we do have. Just click up here, press that button, and you can already see the lights up there. And we also have lights in here. I'm not going to remove the cover. That we're going to do that in the city POV test drive, but you see the lights doing a good job illuminating the bed. But let's hop on in and start driving. Turn this off. I do want to keep one light on. Well, the light's on, just so you can see a little more. Don't worry, I can see plenty. I always test that beforehand. And yeah, let's go driving. We do have plenty of cameras in here. We have a 360 above, reverse. We have zoomed in on 360, and we have our wheels. That's pretty cool. It's very high resolution, high refresh rate. And reversing, thank you. Now if we go forward, we also have our wheels, front and zoomed. Okay. You will see me probably grabbing the wheel in a bit of a weird way when turning. That's just because the wheel is way up during these POV test drives, because the camera sits higher than my eyes, and that's a little I don't know. So that can get a little confusing with the grip I have to have. Anyhow, let's turn the high beams. Just push this backwards, and we got the high beams on, of course, and they're not going to be activated right now because we got cars right up ahead, but that won't be the case for long. As soon as we turn off the road, at the very latest, we'll be able to enjoy the high beams, or maybe right now. There we go, high beams turn on. Let's see how quickly they turn off again once we crest the hill. There we go, very nice and quick. Good system, but that's pretty much expected these days, although not all cars do it quite as quickly as I'd like to. Very quick actually to turn on and off. Okay, quick comparison between high beam on and off. Pretty clear, I think, how good the high beams are. But like I said, we want to do a quick acceleration run. Let's put it into sport. And I hope you can't see the moth that's flying around in here, which just flew in. That's a little annoying. Please don't fly around my eyes. Thank you. Sorry for that. Little I can do about it. Let's try to get, never mind. Brake torque. Takes a while to get the revs up. 2000. And there we go. Hard shift from the dual clutch. And pretty good acceleration. Let's brake her down again. There we go. Okay. Yeah, pretty quick. We got 2.5 liter turbocharged inline 4 producing 281 horsepower, something like that, and 311 pound-feet of torque. Driving all four wheels through an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Please, I'm talking. Don't fly around my mouth while I'm talking. Jesus Christ, that thing is obnoxious. Okay, let me turn off the lights. Maybe that'll calm it down. Well, there you go. Okay, that's a driving safety moth. Turn back to normal, and I'm gonna give you a bit more of a chance to just hear how it is to drive. Let's shut back on the lights. Okay, that was a quick night POV test drive here in the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. And yeah, quick look at the acceleration and of course the headlights, and I think the headlights are pretty good. Like I said, we have 2 more POV test drives, but if you want to hear all my thoughts, just make sure to check out the full review, which should be somewhere on your screen just about right now. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.